Hello, friends! We are going to visit the most beautiful and fairy tale village in the Netherlands. And before that, please do like, comment, and subscribe our channel if not yet done.
After having a sumptuous breakfast in our hotel, we took a train from our place to Amsterdam Central. Here, there was the office from where we booked the day trip to GIETHOORN.
We booked our tickets well beforehand at the time of visa application. These day trip tour tickets sell out very fast, so if you are comfortable, you can book your tickets. They give free cancellation 24 hours before, and it also helps as a supportive document for your tour plan too.
Our first stop was on the dike. As we moved on, we saw the huge turbines on the water bodies. Amazed to see the huge dikes and explore Upside Dike, enclosing dike. The boat trip is of 1 hour and it's both fun and amazing to explore the village. The English speaking guide in our boat described the place and narrated the history of the place.
GIETHOORN is well worth a visit. It is a village with no roads. You can take a tour in a traditional boat or hire one small boat for yourself.
What you are having?
Having ready to eat right now because it's very expensive.
Chicken rice and two nuts.
Already.
You want? You want?
It was time for us to head for the city. While traveling back, we saw there was a gate, then realized the bridge was pulled up for boats to pass, and then we were allowed to move on. We didn't realize when it was evening. The time flew away, making good memories.
The trip to GIETHOORN was unique in itself. We hope to share more of such beautiful experiences. So keep watching.